Good morning, dear students and dear parents. Hope you all are doing well and ready for today's session. So before we start today's session, let us do a quick recap of what we have done in the last class. So dear children, in the last class we have learned how to display two windows at a time, and we have also learned how to explore pictures with the help of the picture folder, isn't it? Now, dear students, let us start today's session. Alright, now before that, please write down today's objective. The objective of today's class is to understand the concept of disk cleanup and also understand some features of Windows 7. I hope you all have done. You have all written in your copy. Alright, let's start the session. What is disk cleanup? We can clean up the files that are not needed in your hard disk. The disk cleanup option removes unnecessary files from our system and free up space on the disk drive. Alright, now let us see the steps to run disk cleanup in Windows operating system. Go to the Start button, click All Programs, then Accessories, select System Tools and then select Disk Cleanup. Select drive C from the drop-down menu. Remember that any other drives can also be selected from the list. Alright. Now select the files which you want to delete and click OK. In a few minutes, the disk cleanup removes all the unwanted files and calculates the free space on your computer. Let us learn about features of Windows 7. Windows 7 offers a variety of new features which have simplified our daily tasks. Let us learn about some features. Number 1, touch screen. That means we no longer need to use mouse. With a touch sensitive screen hardware and Windows 7 software, we can use our fingers to browse online, flip through photo albums and shuffle files and folders. Also, using touch screen, we can even finger paint in the paint software. You have seen, dear children, this can also be experienced in your mobile phones, tablets, ATMs, isn't it? So now let us learn about the second feature of Windows 7, Snap. Snap is a quicker method to resize the open window. Let us see some of the examples. Number 1, drag one of the windows to the left edge of the screen and another to the right edge. In this manner, you can view two windows side by side. Next example, dragging the window to the upper edge of the screen will take up the entire screen. Third example, dragging the window to the lower edge of the screen will expand it vertically, occupying the half of the screen. Now next feature, shake. Click on the top of a window and without releasing the mouse button, give your mouse a shake. You will see that every open window except the one you are working with will be minimized. Now next feature, Arrow Flip 3D. Now Arrow Flip 3D is an interesting feature of Windows 7. It enables us to preview all open windows as a stack. To activate the Arrow Flip 3D feature, dear children, press Windows key plus Tab key combination. You will notice that Windows will automatically direct you to the desktop displaying the open windows. To select and view the desired window, hold the Windows key and use Tab key to scroll through. As the required windows appear on the stack, release both the keys. Alright, now you will see that the window will open on the screen. Now next feature, searching made easier. Using Windows 7, we can quickly search for more things in more places in our computer. Simply type some text in the Start menu search box and click on See More Results option above the search box. You will see that you will be immediately get a list of relevant documents, pictures, music, etc. on your PC. The search results are further grouped by category and even contain highlighted keywords and text snippets to make them easier to scan. So dear children, I hope that the concept of today's objectives, that is disk cleanup and features of Windows 7, are clear to all of you. Now let us do a quick recap of what we have learned today. We have learned about disk cleanup. Now what is a disk cleanup? Disk cleanup is a feature that removes the temporary internal and downloaded program files, empties the recycle bin and other items that are not being used for a long time. Then we have learned about features of Windows 7. First feature we have learned about touch screen. Now what is a touch screen? Touch screen is a sensitive screen hardware that can be used with Windows software in order to use our fingers to browse online, flip through photo albums, etc. Then we have learned about snap. Now snap is a quicker method to resize the open window. Then we have learned about shake. Now what is the meaning of shake? Now shake is used to help us to open only the window which we are working with and to minimize all the rest of the windows that are open. Alright, then we have learned about AeroFlip 3D. Now what is AeroFlip 3D? AeroFlip 3D is a feature that enables us to preview all open windows as a stack. Then finally we have learned about searching made easier. Now what is this feature about? This feature is about the search box, which help us to view immediately a list of relevant documents, pictures, music, email, etc. on your PC, isn't it? So I hope that the concept of all the objective is clear to all of you. With this, my dear children, I'll end today's session by saying, dear children, enjoy your online classes. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.